Select the one sentence that best meets the requirements of standard written English. A. After failing to strike a trade deal yesterday, the special envoy to Pakistan said that the government fails to compromise on some key points. This choice has an issue of tenses syncing up. We can see that we're talking about a past event, as this happened yesterday, but our verb relating to this past event, fails, is in the present tense. As these two tenses don't work together, we can mark this choice as incorrect. B. After failing to strike a trade deal yesterday, the special envoy to Pakistan said that the government failed to compromise on some key points. This option deals with direct speech versus reported speech. This concept is best explained via example. Your mother might tell you, "I am going to work." This is direct speech. However, when relaying this message to a sibling, you'd say, "Mom said she was going to work." This is reported speech. You may notice that when transitioning to reported speech, we took the verb back one tense. While your mother said she is going to work, or am in this conjugation, you reported to your sibling that she was going to work. Although there are some exceptions, in general, when using reported speech, we move the verb one tense back from what was used in the direct speech. Taking a look at our sentence, we can see that we're dealing with reported speech. The special envoy to Pakistan said. The envoy's original statement was likely, "The government failed to compromise." We can see that this reported version doesn't take the verb a tense back, had failed instead of simply failed. Although this is used in more casual English, in formal English, which we're using here, we need to change the verb tense. This being the case, we can mark this choice as incorrect. C. After failing to strike a trade deal yesterday, the special envoy to Pakistan said that the government had failed to compromise on some key points. Here we see the last choice's correction applied. Instead of saying the government failed in the past simple, we have the government had failed in the past perfect. As this is appropriate when converting direct speech to reported speech, this is likely our answer, but we can take a look at choice D just to be sure. D. After failing to strike a trade deal yesterday, the special envoy to Pakistan said that the government was failing to compromise on some key points. Like choice A, here we see a problem of the verb tenses not matching up. Our event happened yesterday, so in the past, but our verb is in the past continuous, was failing. If the meeting were still going on, perhaps with some editing, the past continuous could be appropriate, but as the sentence currently stands, it's incorrect. This being the case, we can mark this choice off and go ahead and mark choice C as our final answer.